तो कॉलेज में आई वॉज परस्यूइंग बैचलर इन फाइन आर्ट्स, दैट्स ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग और सारी चीज़ें. बट दैट्स हाउ आई फेल्ट फॉर माई ओन वॉइस, एंड देयर दे वर लाइक, हनी यू हैव अ ग्रेट वॉइस. आई एम लाइक व्हाट? जो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है, न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे नहीं है या फिर दूसरे आरजेस के पास नहीं है. यू हैव टू स्टैंड आउट. आई होस्ट पॉडकास्ट, सो दिस इज प्रीटी मच फन फॉर मी टू बी ऑन द अदर साइड वेयर यू आर. यूजुअली आई एम देयर रीडिंग अप अबाउट थिंग्स, फिल्टर करना, उसमें से पिक करना आपका सही टॉपिक, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर लिखना. मतलब अगर आप कोई चीज़ बेच रहे हो और अगर आप खुद आके उसके बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे हो.
हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट ऑफ द डे शमाइजा साकिब और आज मोजा वुमेन वॉइस ऑफ डिग्निटी एंड ऑनर में हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली है आरजे परिमा. आरजे परिमा इज समवन हुज बीन वॉइस ऑफ सूरत एट रेडियो मिर्ची. रेडियो तो हम सभी सुनते हैं. परिमा इज नोन फॉर हर वाइब्रेंट एनर्जी एंड इनक्रेडिबल स्टोरी टेलिंग skills. Parima has also hosted some of Surat's celebrity events and concerts with stars starring Sonu Nigam, Lucky Ali, Neha Kakkar, Sachin Jigar, and the list goes on. Her personalized approach has helped major brands like Swiggy and Coca-Cola stand out. She's been a choreographer, artist, creative director, fashionista, and a professional voice-over artist. So let's meet this multi-talented and charming personality today. So Parima, tell me about your journey as an RJ, how you started.
Okay, so how it happened definitely is a long story. We have to go back to college, जहाँ पे I had no idea that I'm going to do this, and I did not know कि I'm made for being an RJ. तो college में I was pursuing bachelor in fine arts, that's graphic designing और सारी चीज़ें. So there was an inter-college competition happening by Mass and Com department, and काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें थी that included storytelling, photography competition and RJ hunt. This was second year of my college, and मैंने हमेशा से dance competitions में बहुत ही खुल के participate किया है. But यहाँ because it was from Mass and Com, there was no dance competition, and I was like, नहीं, I really want to participate because you never know college के बाद कभी you get to put yourself in place जहाँ competitions होते हैं, and it's a good feeling. So I figured कि okay, what can I do? And I figured कि ठीक है, RJ Hunt looks something that I might just love to give it a shot, and I had no idea how things work, क्या होता है क्या नहीं. So one of my friend knew somebody जो साथ में participate कर रही थी, and उसने मुझे introduce कराया, and she asked me कि आपको कुछ पता है क्या? I'm like no, I have no idea. ठीक है, मैं बताती हूँ कि एक आपको टॉपिक देंगे, उससे आपको उसका लिंक लिखना होता है. हम लाइक ओके, लिंक क्या होता है? लाइक जो आरजेस बोलते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड अ लिंक. सो दैट्स समथिंग आई लर्नड राइट देयर इन द कॉम्पिटिशन.
ओके.
एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, अंडरस्टूड. एंड 2-3 दिन मैंने सिर्फ रेडियो सुनने का काम किया था राइट बिफोर दिस कॉम्पिटिशन. एंड luckily the judges from the radio brand from where I worked later on eventually, and they still work there. So that happened to be the case, and luckily the girl who showed me what link is, she came second and I came first in that competition.
Wow.
And that's how I was remembered. I was offered the internship right then and there, but the only thing was कि timings clash हो रहे थे college के साथ. So I thought okay, never mind, later on. Cut to final year of my college, and somehow it happened that because I was from a arts background, I had something, a radio ad to make for my own examination.
Okay.
And I reached out to this brand, and through a friend and through family and all of that, and I requested कि ऐसे ऐसे करना है. And the girl who came second in that competition was the present RJ in this brand that I was working for. And she recognized me, and she's like, what are you doing here? I'm like, hey, hey. She said, okay, I'll help you out, but tell me something. Do you want to be an RJ? Because I remember you. I remember how you defeated me, but in a very proud manner. And that was a great thing. That was a great sportsman spirit. And I was like, I was getting out of college. She was moving out, and vacancies बहुत जल्दी नहीं होती है in this field, and it just fit right. But more than that, I had to give a lot of auditions. आई रिमेंबर मैं जब उस चीज़ के लिए भी गई थी तो आई हेटेड माई वॉइस. जैसे हम सबको नहीं पसंद आती है जब हमारी अपनी आवाज़, हम ऑडियो भेजते हैं किसी को एंड हम सुनते हैं, हम लाइक नहीं नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू हियर इट बैक. But that's how I felt for my own voice, and there they were like, honey, you have a great voice. I'm like, what? Then I started working there, and I started doing an internship for because that was anyway pending. They really liked me, they really liked what I had to offer. And even before I was done from my college, I had this internship and I did it for 1 month, and that's when they started training me to be an RJ. Usually ऐसा नहीं होता है. When you are an intern, you learn a lot, but आपको train नहीं करते हैं इस तरीके से कि आप आरजे ही बनोगे. आई मीन यू डिपेंड्स, आपकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है जो आप एक्सप्लोर करते हो. दे एक्सप्लोर इट विथ यू एंड दे गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. बट इन दिस केस देयर वाज अ वैकेंसी, दे कुड सी मी एज अ राइट fit, and it just happened. I went on, passed on a lot of voice tests, auditions, personality, XYZ, writing, finding, and I was pretty much ready. And 1.5 months down the line, I was with the brand, and since then I've never looked back. 8 years with the brand, and that's how it happened.
So talking about career options as an RJ, what message would you like to deliver the current audience?
I think RJ is one thing कि सिर्फ RJ बनना है, उसी गोल से ना जाकर there are many things that attach on. A lot of people, a lot of friends that have moved on after being an RJ, they explore themselves even after being an RJ. So of course, if you want to be an RJ, you can obviously start and but just not to define yourself just with that, because बहुत सारे skills होते हैं आप parallelly develop कर सकते हो, जैसे voice acting, voice over हो गया, anchoring, hosting, events, what not, podcasts even.
और जैसे आपने बताया कि you did not think कि आपको आरजे बनना है, and it all came over suddenly when you were in your college days. तो बचपन से क्या सोचा था आपने कि मुझे क्या बनना है?
Oh, that's a very interesting question, क्योंकि मैंने कभी stick on नहीं किया, मैं loyal नहीं रह पाई अपने wishes पे. I was very चंचल. तो कभी मुझे actor बनना था, कभी मुझे ऐसे engineer भी बनना था, कभी मुझे architect करना था, and I also gave an exam for that, and then I ended up doing fine arts, and then I ended up being, so one thing was sure that I wanted to be an artist in some or the other way, and I think I'm glad I'm true to that in every way, even then and now.
Okay, so is it easy to get a job as an RJ?
No. If I'm being very honest, it's not easy at all.
Not easy.
बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, they are like, अरे मुझे बातें करना बहुत पसंद है, या मेरी बच्ची को बातें करना बहुत पसंद है, तो आरजे बन जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
There are qualities required.
100%. You need to know good writing. पता होना चाहिए 50 चीज़ें हो रही है, सब कैसे फिल्टर करोगे. अगर बारिश हो रही है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, तो हर आरजे, हर स्टेशन का आरजे और मल्टीपल आरजेस फ्रॉम वन स्टेशन, आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. एनी इवेंट दैट हैपेंस, इंडिया जीती हो, कुछ भी हुआ हो, how are you gonna make sure that आप जो बोल रहे हो, आप जो लेकर आ रहे हो, it's gonna be different, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be something जो expected नहीं है, न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे नहीं है, या फिर दूसरे आरजेस के पास नहीं है. You have to stand out, and वो आपको कोई लिख के नहीं देता है. That is something that you have to have inside to pick the right content, to blend it with the good emotion, to be able to bring it out in the right manner, and all of that is an RJ's job. Not just to speak it well, and of course speak it well, so that is an attached job, but there's a lot of things that come in hand to be an RJ.
So what are other sister careers we may have in this?
Like I mentioned, voice acting, voiceover artist, anchoring, hosting. People moderate. I moderate panels, and along with that, I host podcasts. So this is pretty much fun for me to be on the other side of where you are. Usually, I'm there. So yeah, a lot of these things, and depends. बहुत ज़्यादा लोग eventually it's just like you said कि sister careers में these are the things, but if you keep upscaling, you can figure your own way out.
Okay, so RJs के normal working time and schedules क्या होते हैं?
Don't ask. Very much on the show. I've done morning, afternoon, evening, international सारे shows किए हैं. So of course, if it's a morning show, you have to be at the studio by 6:45, 7 a.m. in the morning. आप दोपहर तक काम करते हो, और उसके बाद अगर मीटिंग कुछ ना हो, तो then you get to go home by lunch. Otherwise, it's शाम हो जाती है. And if you are an evening jock, then you start your day slightly later. That's maybe 12, 1, 2. But then you are sticking till the entire world is home. So 9:30, 10 depends कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, कितना है. And like that. So it very much depends on the show. Very much depends कि आप कौन से radio station में भी हो.
Okay. I've often seen कि different RJs अब studios में reels बनाते हैं, reels shoot करते हैं, and then फिर वो अपने personal profile पे उसको upload करते हैं. So is this allowed?
So when you say personal profile, I think when you are with a brand, there is nothing personal about it. You are a lot of brands do this कि brand का नाम आगे या पीछे आपके नाम के लगता है. So it's never a personal profile, and you always want to put to keep your different lives, best of both worlds करना है. Then you have a private account separately. That's a very separate thing. You can do whatever you want. as long as it's not public. But the other thing where you are putting yourself out there, you are the face of the brand, you are the face of your own show. So you have to be responsible, you have to be, agar aap bol rahe ho, you're speaking for the brand. So that responsibility comes along. So it's not something that's personal.
Who writes the script and how are you instructed to deliver that particular script?
Like I said, the entire research work is the quality of an RJ that is picked on. कि आप ही decide करोगे आप अपने show में क्या नया लेकर आओगे, आप अपने show में क्या करोगे, and
so overall कभी pressure feel नहीं होता कि every time कुछ नया बोलना है, हर बार कुछ नया देना है. That's the job you've signed in for, right? कि वो वही है कि अगर आप कुछ नया नहीं ला सकते, then you're not in the right place. Because हर साल Mother's Day आएगा, हर साल कुछ ना कुछ चीजें repeat होगी, but every year how you make sure that you try to push yourself, try to push things around you, try to, be better. And it's not just about delivering things, right? It's about writing, it's about मैंने जैसे कहा कि finding the content, reading up about things, filter करना उसमें से, pick करना आपका सही topic, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर लिखना, क्योंकि क्या लिखना है, क्या बोलना है, and then to deliver it live. So all of this is a job you are signing up for. That's why it's not easy. Right. Okay, so what are the challenges you have faced in this industry?
I think challenges is learnings, I would say. Because when I joined my brand, that is when I was a shy girl out of college. I was a bullied kid as a young girl, and my first hosting, like to be on stage in front of that amount of people, 1,000 people, 2,000 people, I've never done it before being in the brand. मतलब like I said कि मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था मुझे RJ बनना है या लोगों के सामने खड़े रहना पसंद है. I used to love dancing. That's why I used to be on stage. And well, you start facing your fears, and you cannot look at it as challenge, but more like a learning. So one thing I've seen is you have to plunge, you have to give your best, and then you figure out कि आप गलती कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो. You can ask out. Like I said कि I started as a very timid girl. Today coming out as a very confident person, control on the whole, different languages, मैंने अलग-अलग languages सीखी है, अलग-अलग dialect सीखे हैं, and that was all happened because something or the other has asked me out of it. It has asked me to host the biggest concert, it has asked me to host an interview with a celebrity. So all of that is not something you can prepare for. It's something that you constantly accept that challenge, and you push yourself, and then you learn कि okay ये चीज़ ऐसे होती है, ऐसे कर सकते हैं. And if you make a mistake, you cannot do it again. So it's a process, it's a journey, and I actually love that about it. That it's never a dull day, it's never boring.
Okay, and you have the freedom to work the way you want to work, especially when it comes to speaking verbally.
Yes and no, of course. So you have to be aligned, because when you know that you are responsible for what you're speaking. Yeah, I mean, if you do not have the breathing space to challenge yourself and try something new, तब तक कुछ नया नहीं आएगा. And yeah, too many restrictions can again not bring out the best content. So
true.
Yeah, and if there's something very controversial, something that has happened on the national level, so you are always given some subjects कि हम ये बात तो नहीं करेंगे या इस तरह से तो नहीं बात करेंगे. But other than that, I think it's a good.
Okay, जैसे आपने बताया कि celebrity concerts आपने बहुत सारे किए हैं. So which was the best one out of that?
Concert, I think the biggest concert that I did was 15,000-16,000 people, a King's concert. वो energy, electric vibe मैंने नहीं देखी कहीं. So that was amazing to be on the other side and not, be in the crowd. That's one of the best concerts.
What's the difference between being पर्दे के पीछे on a radio and in front of the stage? So what is that difference? Distinguish it.
आप जब रेडियो पे शो करने जाते हो, you can go in your pajamas.
Yes.
I've done that a number of times. Of course, on stage you have to be with a personality. You also carry yourself.
Like that is about presentation.
Correct.
I'm talking about the level of confidence. Like
oh no, that can't change.
That can't change
anyway. You have to give 100% even there and even here. So वो तो you have to bring the best of you every day at every workplace you go to. So I think there's no compromise there.
All right. So how to get PR as an influencer marketer? Because the growing profession these days,
yes.
Everybody wants to be an influencer.
I think that's one of the sister jobs that you mentioned, social media.
In our times, if हमें पूछते थे बचपन में आपको क्या बनना है, तो we used to say a doctor or engineer or architect. और अब के बच्चों को, Gen Z kids को पूछो क्या बनना है, influencer बनना है, influencer. So the times have changed, in a very vast manner. मतलब हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि हमारे बच्चे जब हम बड़े होंगे तो influencer वाला time आएगा, and everybody wants to be an influencer.
Fair, but I think everybody should try to put themselves out there, no matter. Say, having said that, competition बहुत crazy, and I think I'm not an expert in that area as well, but I would definitely say कि that's one way of putting your brand, your business, everything out there. मतलब if you own a brand, and if that brand's CEO is putting a conversation, doing a podcast, you have to bring yourself out, because people, I think, associate that with the authenticity of a product. मतलब अगर आप कोई चीज़ बेच रहे हो और अगर आप खुद आके उसके बारे में नहीं बात कर रहे हो, we have a lot of examples, a lot of small brands that became big because of the person who put themselves out there, be it fun videos, be it content जहाँ पे वो authenticity बता रहे हैं, and how differently you can do it. So yeah, that I think is a parallel thing जो चल रहा है. But I think social media is such a vast area कि it's such a personal yet different. लोगों पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या लेकर आ रहे हो, किस जॉनर में लेकर आ रहे हो, क्या ऑफर कर रहे हो. There is a lot of things that we ourselves learn, and I think, like you mentioned, nothing like that existed कुछ टाइम पहले तक या कुछ सालों पहले तक. I think a lot of things because of AI are also gonna bring a lot of opportunities and as well as challenges.
I think Instagram has played a major role in
100%. The only thing I can say is it cannot be your world. Even if it is, it cannot be your world. That's a one-line thing I can say.
Because we have experienced, we being 90s kid, we have experienced two different worlds.
100%.
One world without Instagram, and currently we are living with Instagram.
Yeah.
So we can, majorly see that wide difference.
Yeah.
So how do you get leads and approach brands?
As an RJ or
as an influencer, of course.
I actually don't call myself an influencer. Yes, I do work with brands, but I do.
Or a content creator.
Okay, so it's something that for me personally, it has happened because I've built it through my years. And see, being in a brand, you interview people from every sector. I have interviewed people from banks, finance से लेकर, small business से लेकर, mental health से लेकर, schools, colleges, you name it, and I have spoken to those people, and I've prepared for those interviews. I've understood what they are bringing. I've spoken to them, and I've learned so much कि real estate हो गया. मतलब like I said, you name it, and I have spoken to them, right? So for me, like I said, influencer is not the right word, and it comes in very, very handy. So coming on the other side, I have figured that maybe real estate and finance might not be for me, but fashion, lifestyle, and storytelling is. So if your brand has the potential to tell a story, now doesn't matter if it is banking or small business, anything, I can do it for you. So like I said, I do not have a fixed genre, but what I do is I tailor make stuff, I tailor make stories, and I make sure that I bring out the best for the brand that I'm working in a very customized way. When you are an influencer, you are stuck कि अच्छा मैं मतलब you are very defined to a genre कि fashion हो गया या फिर makeup हो गया. You are very, very clear, and which is good. You are supposed to stay authentic to what you do, and because then when you are working with a brand, you bring it in your own way, in your own, like makeup हो गया या फिर fashion हो गया. For me, it's storytelling. So it's kind of not the same bag, but yeah, similar.
Okay, so what are your contribution in brands like Swiggy and Coke?
I have worked with these brands for voices. I have given voiceovers for like fun voiceovers for their Instagram or their internal housing. So that's how I've worked with these brands.
As a voiceover artist. Okay. So Pariba, how was your family support into all this?
Oh yeah, interesting question. So I wasn't allowed to leave my city for my college or after that. So even मैंने college में medal जीत लिया, best display award मिल गया, I was like coming out as a top person, but I knew that I cannot leave the town. But I always had this thing, I'm gonna make it big. I'm gonna at least try, क्योंकि I cannot be sad कि मुझे यहाँ नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं, but I'm gonna make the best. And luckily things happened this way where I could break the stereotypes, and being an RJ is something one of a kind thing, right? So nobody knew कि family में क्या होता है क्या नहीं. हाँ, one thing I knew for sure, you cannot go in acting. वो they were very clear कि ये तो नहीं करना है.
Okay.
At least then it was like that. Because like you said, 90s kids and 90s parents, they come up with certain kind of thought process. And they have their own concerns, and which is fine. But when I came into this field, my dad is pretty much into media some or the other way, so he understands what things work, and he had friends in this thing. Not that I've ever used them, but he knew, and he knew that I'm going to a safe place, and so he let me be me, and he just always challenged me to do better. And he was, of course, always very proud when I started, like I said, facing those challenges and kept learning. And by the year, I started, being my own person, and he was pretty proud.
How do you handle the demotivation that comes in from the society?
Like what?
Trolling. हाँ, बहुत आता है. That's what I said, which also includes kind of a trolling or backbiting या rumor कुछ आप अपने बारे में सुन लो.
So is it just social media, or are you talking about the
anything that जो हमें demotivate करती है, जो हमें affect करती है कहीं ना कहीं?
I can say that I've had great people around me to work with. So all my bosses, all the peers, people that I've worked with, they have been really, really great. And I don't know, for some reason I was really pampered as well. Maybe I was the only girl for the longest of time in my organization, and I always was very this curious, chanchal person to say कि करते हैं, वो करते हैं. And I know for a fact, at least luckily where I've worked, I have had a lot of motivating people around me. So nobody had these personal vendettas कि नहीं इसको तो कैसे. So those things have really helped me, push myself where need be and not waste my energy जहाँ ज़रूरत नहीं है. And as soon as it comes to troll and everything, I mean, you can't do anything about it. You just let it be. Like, ठीक है. जब तक it's not at home, it's not bothering. I think you'll have to. It's a part of it, and you live with it. So you have to just learn to live with it without being affected, or not let it get to head.
So Parimya, we are on for a rapid fire round. Okay. आपको as soon as possible, यानी जितना quickly हो सके इसके answers देने हैं.
I'm getting such a deja vu क्योंकि मैं ये लोगों को बोलती हूँ. It's so fun to be on the other side. You have no idea. Thank you for giving me this.
अगर आपको celebrity की replica, यानी अलादीन का चिराग आया और आपको बोले कि आपको किसी celebrity की replica बनना है, तो which celebrity would you want to be?
नहीं यार, I think being an RJ, the best thing I've done all my life is to figure out अब नया क्या लेकर आ रहे हो खुद से. तो I would not want to be, even if I love Deepika, I would not want to be like replica of anybody. I am RJ Parima, so it's fun to have your own path.
If you could go in the past and fix something, what would it be?
I think I would want to pace up. जिस स्पीड में मैंने चीज़ें सीखी है, मैंने जितना ज़्यादा पहले 2 साल अपने आप को चैलेंज नहीं किया. I mean, I did it eventually, but अगर मैंने और जल्दी किया होता तो probably I would be taking more risk earlier, and I would do a few things more than I could have, या फिर earlier, and that would have been shaping me slightly more differently. But other than that, I think I'll stick to the script.
One social cause you want to do in life?
Social cause. Is there any examples, anything on your mind that?
Supporting women, or opening an orphanage, or having anything. It could be anything. I
think personally, I keep doing it. I have, even with the brand, I have went for a lot of activities where it involved to go to an orphanage. Personally also, I every year around my birthday, around my family's birthday, keep doing something or the other. Be it old age home, be it orphanage. I think it's something not कि आप किसी को दिखाने के लिए करते हो, but that's something you should just have to stay rooted, to be grateful, to know what's kindness, and to stick to that kindness inside you. I think that's it.
Do you also feel that a girl and a boy can just never be pure friends?
नहीं, ये I think हमें बहुत ही खराब गलत आइडिया दिया है.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
या ऐसा नहीं है. I've had great friends. I've had friends जिनसे मैं at the start of my career मैं मिली थी, and still now I've met them barely twice or thrice, but they're great friends. and we help each other with our careers. Multiple people I'm talking about. So ऐसा नहीं है, but yes, if you focus a lot on your emotions and not, मतलब अगर आपका ध्यान वहीं चल रहा है तो फिर आप अपनी उसमें फंस जाओगे. But I think it's not impossible.
What's your favorite thing about working on a radio?
No day is boring. There's never a dull day. कुछ ना कुछ crazy होता है, आप जाते हो and there's something new happening, something new that you read up about, something new that you have to talk about, something new that's coming to meet you, or you're going to meet somebody or interview somebody.
Okay.
So it's always fun.
What's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened on air?
I have sneezed on air. I've said, excuse me. I mean, the weather was like that. And yeah.
What's the craziest listener call you have ever received?
Crazy. This takes me back to a lot of messages and calls and everything. Crazy good, I can say that somebody said that you saved my life. So listening to you and talking to you and telling you what I was going through actually saved my life. So that was something I think crazy. You can't expect you're an RJ and आप ये चीज़ सोच के नहीं जाते हो कि आप लोगों की जान बचाओगे. तो that was something that shook me and मुझे लगा मजाक कर रहा है क्या है, but then I got to know the story of this person and that really was very very unexpected for me.
Okay. ऐसा कोई फ़ोन कॉल आया हो जिससे आपने बात तो कर ली, बट देन उसमें ऐसी कुछ बात थी जो आप ऑन एयर नहीं डाल पाए?
बहुत because a lot of people call, just they call with their expectation कि नहीं लगेगा, but लग जाता है. And
then they can't speak.
they just become very कि अच्छा फिर जो top of the mind आता है, जो emotion आता है, जो feeling आता है, सब बोल देते हैं. Like भाई ये नहीं ले, hello. I respect it, but ये honor नहीं जाएगा.
Okay.
Yeah, that happens.
One thing you would like to change about radio industry?
Oh. No pressure. I would like to change about radio industry. I would like to say that we can keep adapting faster than we have been. But again, that's my opinion.
Okay. So favorite way to unwind after a long day?
Chai. Always honest. Always loyal to chai. I talk about chai on my show. I've talked a zillion times about it on my Instagram. It's just a feeling. मतलब आपको कुछ भी होता है, you can have chai.
Okay.
कोई emotion हो गया, कोई physical है, एक हो गया, चाय दे दो and I'll be sorted.
Also, Parima, I've heard कि as an RJ, career होता है बहुत short term के लिए होता है. So please clarify this.
I've had people, colleagues who have worked for more than 15 to 18 years with the brand and as an RJ, and there have been a lot of people जो आते हैं 1-2 साल में they quickly leave or they keep jumping. So it's tough to say that कि है नहीं है. You have to find your space. Like I said, this is a very this is not a conventional कि यहाँ हर कोई engineer बनता है, हर कोई doctor बन सकता है या बनता है. You know what you're getting. ये चीज़ें आपको figure out करनी पड़ती है. So when you start, काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है, you get on board and then you figure out कि oh wait a minute, this is not for me. Or somebody loves and becomes so loyal to it that they have stayed for 2 decades for the same thing. So it's something that you have to figure out. You have to know कि in and out क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, and is it for you or not.
Agreed. Okay. So Parima, now we are on that part where we are about to end this episode, and before we end it out, you can ask one question to me.
Oh, one question to you.
It can be anything. Though we have met for the first time, but it can be anything.
How do you balance out? मतलब ये चीज़ मुझे भी बहुत लोग पूछते हैं, and I also love asking, and I like the consistency where women especially stick to what they love, and I would just actually more than ask you, tell that I know that you have a family and you still do what you love. So that's amazing. That's inspiring. Keep doing that.
Thank you so much. So I enjoyed talking to Parima and it was a wonderful session and I hope you had the same too. मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगले एपिसोड में. Till then, you know what you got to do. Like, share and subscribe.